Welcome, double PPL star, Serge Litvine. I am the owner of La Villa Lorraine. Welcome to La Villa Lorraine. La Villa Lorraine is one of the oldest restaurants gastronomical in Belgium and in Brussels. You come with me? First, you have this area. It's the brasserie of La Villa Lorraine. It's a more simple kitchen and a light service. All the paintings that you see are original. It's my passion. It's Jean Dubuffet, one Calder, one Vasarely on the left side, the yellow and red. We have special saloon for private. This is a saloon with a botero, original also. And we go to the bar. This is the bar of La Villa Lorraine for the gastronomic area. Also, you have Vasarely, Zawuki, Félix de Bouc, another Dubuffet. And now, welcome to the gastronomic Villa Lorraine. We have inside and outside area with a garden. Also, it's another Vasarely from 1954. And the garden. We are near the forêt. So, double PP star, you are La Villa Lorraine, and I hope that you enjoyed your evening. And je vous remercie, je vais le dire en français, je vous remercie d'être chez nous, de passer la soirée ensemble.